going to show you how to draw an isometric cube using the steps that we stated on the screen. So what we need to do first is to draw a horizontal line. I'll be using pen, I'll be using black pen and also red pen for the drawing, but as for you as a student, you are to make use of your pencil to make the drawing. Okay, so we need to draw a horizontal line of any length. This is okay. Then we are going to have a point anywhere on this line, but I'll put it at this point. So this is point A. Okay, then the next thing that we are going to do is that we take our set square, so 30-degree set square. So we have to draw a vertical line at this point A. So draw a vertical line of any length at point A. Then we turn it like this. So the 30-degree set square. So we turn it in this direction. Then we draw a line from point A in this direction. Then turn the set square like this. So draw a line in this direction. Alright, so now we are going to take the length of the isometric cube that we want to construct. So let's make the length to be 50 millimeters, which is also the same as 5 centimeters. So what we need to do now is that we are going to take 5 centimeters from this point to this side, from this point to this side, and from this point up the vertical line. This is what I mean. So on the vertical line, I will take a measurement of 5 centimeters or 50 millimeters from point A up. So this is 50 millimeters or 5 centimeters. Okay, then I will also take 5 centimeters or 50 millimeters to the right side. Then I will take it from A again. So 5 centimeters or 50 millimeters to the left side of this line. So this is 5 centimeters or 50 millimeters. Alright, so I'm going to label this point. So this point is point B. Okay, so this point here is point C. And this point is point D. Alright. Now, so the next thing that we are going to do is that we take the set square and we set it like this at point D. Then we draw a vertical line going up like this. Then we bring it to point B. Then we draw a vertical line. Okay. So the next thing that we are going to do is that we are to draw a line from point C onto this line, to touch this line, and that line will be parallel to this line AB. We also do the same, that we draw a line from point C to touch this line, and that line will be parallel to line AD. This is what I mean. So you take your set square, so set it on the T-square, and bring it to this point C. So draw a line in this direction to touch this line, and you turn it like this. So draw a line to touch this line. Okay. Alright, so this point is point E, and this point here is point F. Now, so we move the set square, so set it like this. So we bring it to point E. Then we draw a line in this direction. Then we turn it. So turn the set square like this, bring it to point F, and draw a line to touch this line. Okay, so this point is point G. Okay, so this line FG is parallel to line CE, and line EG is parallel to line CF. So we have completed the isometric cube that we want to construct. So what I'm going to do now is that I want to bring out the visible outlines of this cube. So these are the parts that we have to make thick. So I'm using my black pen to bring out the visible outlines and edges of this isometric cube. Okay, so we are doing this to make it more visible so that whoever sees it will be able to recognize this object, that this is an isometric cube, or this is a cube. Alright, so this how to make an isometric cube as simple as I've done it here. Thank you and keep on practicing.